Hi guys, this is Martin and welcome to Martin Taste. After making the Highland chicken rice, another colleague, John, asked me to make Siu Bao. It is one of the most classic and iconic dim sum in Hong Kong and Guangzhou. Within the bun, we put a bit of char siu inside, and I have to say, among all the dim sum, Siu Bao is the best. So John, challenge accepted, and let's get started. For ingredients, we have pink flour, soda powder, corn flour, yeast, sugar, oyster sauce, onion, water, oil, and the most important thing, char siu. First of all, we need to mix the pink flour with sugar, yeast, water, soda powder, and oil. Once the dough is well mixed, we need to cover it with cling film and leave it for about 1 hour to let it grow. In the meantime, we can start preparing the filling of the Siu Bao. First of all, we need to cut the char siu and onion into very small pieces. Once the onion and char siu are well chopped, we need to stir fry them with oyster sauce and sugar. When it is well stir fried, then we add a bit of water and corn flour. Once we finish stir frying it, we need to let it cool down before we can use. After an hour, we need to divide it to around 12 to 14 pieces and then make it into a round flat size. Once the dough and the fillings are ready, we just need a piece of dough and put a bit of the char siu filling on top and then covering it. Finally, we just need to steam cooking it for about 10 minutes. Hi guys, so this is the Siu Bao. If you got any question about the tutorial, feel free to leave a message below. Please give me a thumb up and share my video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell for new video notice. Also, please tell me what you want me to make for my next video. Enjoy, here you go.
Yeah, I did.
Did you make a barbecue pork yourself?
So what?
Did you make the barbecue pork yourself?
What?
In
So
on the inside?
yeah.